My name is Adarsh Rahman.
I am Anant Agarwal.
I am Dikesh Roy. I am Khilodra Patel.
I am Love. We are from St. Vincent Paloti Higher Secondary School, Kutega.
We are standing in our ATL lab with our creative project Dust Suppression Car.
Here we are standing with our project which is dust suppression car. It will reduce the dust which is emitted by heavy vehicles like trucks and buses through spraying water. And the dust which is emitted by the heavy vehicles like trucks and buses, it will go to the street food markets and it can hamper our foods by which our health is affected. So we will use this model. By spraying water, it will suppress the dust and we can use it in our vehicles so that we can suppress the dust which is emitted by the vehicles.
Thank you.
Saat karo.